the second that seals your forever together.
I'm Anthony Carino. I've built and renovated hundreds of homes over the last decade. I'm renovating an old stone farmhouse in the Catskill Mountains into an income-generating vacation home.
Holy crap!
This is the Build TV, the Stone House Project. The Stone House is fully operational, and I gotta tell you, it's everything we hoped it would be. So we've been in the house for a couple weeks now. It feels fantastic. The best thing is knowing that it's operating the way we intended it to.
You know, the best part about being up here is being able to escape the hustle and bustle of our crazy city life and spend time together in front of the fire, but also be able to invite tons of friends up at the same time to have kick-ass parties. It's a dream come true.
Seeing JC with a smile on her face, knowing how much she loves to cook, just makes all those meals so much more effortless. We've already had friends and family up. It's so fun to be cooking for all these people. We've had the grill going nonstop. I've been making drinks like crazy at the bar and taking full advantage of the patio in these summertime months. Everybody's loving that pool, and of course, we are always in those Adirondack chairs. So now that we're living in the Stone House, we have transitioned the barn into the income-generating space we always wanted it to be, the perfect little Airbnb getaway. When we don't need all the space on our property for friends and family, we're able to share it with guests looking to enjoy their little slice of the mountains. And it has been so rewarding to chat with folks and hear how much they love the space, or read their reviews after their stay and know that we help make their trip to the Catskills just that little bit more special. And if you're interested in taking your own trip up, you can find the link to our listing below.
I grew up here, and it was just really, I would say in the last 5 years, where the younger generation has started to rediscover this area. It's clean, it's wholesome, it's less stress. I mean, if an apartment in a city is $1 million or whatever, for a fraction of that, you can have acreage, you can have a place like Anthony has here. You know, so you get a lot more bang for your buck.
So not only has it been great entertaining friends and family, but we threw one hell of a wedding on this property. We had 150 people in the field, in the backyard, under the tents, in the pool for the farewell brunch. We had people throughout the entire home. It felt fantastic. It's everything we would hoped it would be, a gathering place for friends and family. And knowing that we were able to tie the knot here just means that we've got so much emotional attachment to this place already. Can't wait to see what all the years have to bring. Check back next week for our last episode of the Stone House Project.